Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Kazim Abbas and you are watching my how to channel. Here is another tutorial and today I will show you how to set date and time in Windows 10. Let's jump into it. Let's go to the search box of the Windows and click and write the time. When you write the time, there is shown best match. Change the date and time. Just click on it. It will open another one window. Set time automatically and set time zone automatically. If you want, or manually, you should close it and then change manually date and time. You can see here is the 3 p.m. If you will change the time, for example, 4 p.m., click on the change, it will apply, and you see there is 4 p.m. now. And like this time zone, you can change according to your time zone, any time zone which you belong to, you can change it. And interesting thing is there is no any button for the save. Just you will change, it will change automatically. Thank you for watching and I hope I will catch you in next tutorial. Goodbye.